To auto-capitalize the first letter of a sentence you type on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to enable auto-capitalize feature. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find General Management. Tap General Management and then tap Samsung Keyboard Setting. Tap More Typing option and then tap the gray on option next to Auto Capitalize until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To use Auto Capitalize feature, open an app where you can type with your keyboard. As the example, while we are writing a note on Notes app, type a sentence and then tap the full stop followed by tapping the spacebar. Type the next sentence. You can see that each time you put a full stop and then tap the spacebar, the letter case on the keyboard will be automatically set as capital letter. So you can type the next sentence without you have to manually capitalize the first letter of that sentence. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.